Hello everyone. It's getting cold again here in Germany. And you know what, guys? Sometimes, or most of the times, we have a visitor, Asian, European, also from other country. And we always have the problem what to cook, what to offer. Of course, you can always say, yeah, there's a
The
card
best
you
thing
can
is when
call.
we all cook together and make our own food. This is eating with a fun factor.
Welcome and welcome back. Here's Lily and welcome to my small kitchen. So let we open this compact design raclette from ROMMELSBACHER RC 1600, which I bought just last week. It is you have here the manual and a guarantee service. It's also have your satisfied or superior height guarantee. You can always ask or call for your question, comments, and suggestion. It's just nice. And so that's all inside here, guys. So it has 8 of those small fans. And oh, this is it. That's why I so like and bought this, guys. Look at this. You see that this aluminum things, and it is made in Germany. You can regulate here the temperature, and yeah, it is one is also detachable. Look at that. And here you can put the electric how do you call this cable. It's 2 of those. And it is the same. It has this. And yeah, look at it. It also have this 1, 2, 3 cable here. Oh, 4 cables. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And also 8 small shovel, I don't know it's the right word for that. So guys, because it's about electric, I have a very little now. I ask a little help from my husband to connect them to the electric. So this is how to connect this. Okay. So now the two are working. So you can put the
Grilling top.
and so this is how it's looked like. You can make your position how you wanted to,
On your table.
or maybe like what I'm doing here at the counter of my islands. So if you want to position that difference together or separate, well, it's okay. You can also use just once if you wish to, if you have not so much visitor. And like I said, guys, this raclette is good for, you can make uh, this here for cooking. And if you don't cook, you can park it in here so it won't burn. It is the RC 1600 ROMMELSBACHER Raclette. It is 1600 because this one is 800 watts. And this comes with 2. That's why it's 1600. Yeah. The best things with this, guys, is, let me show you. This is the first one. So I can put it in this way here in my small table. And the other one is the same. Yeah. So I use And I also have some recipes for you guys which I want to make in my upcoming videos when I use this. And I hope to see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Lily here. Bye and God bless.